Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Kathleen Reddington with your hedge fund headlines. Today is Thursday, November 13th, 2008. The 3i Group, one of Europe's largest publicly traded private equity firms, is shutting down its Menlo Park, California office by the end of the year. Financial News reports that the closing of the office is part of a move to shift from new venture capital early-stage technology investing. Staying with hedge fund news, UK's biggest charity, Wellcome Trust, has invited bids for much of its £3.8 billion private equity portfolio. Financial Times reports that the firm has decided to put big chunks of their private equity portfolios up for sale in response to weakening financial markets. The charity said its sell-off is aimed more at taking big advantage of the appreciation of the dollar against the pound. And in more hedge fund news, ADM Capital, a Hong Kong-based hedge fund manager, is planning on raising up to $1 billion to invest in distressed Asian debt. Reuters reports that ADM has been investing in distressed debt since the Asian financial crisis of 97 and 98. Robert Appleby, the company's CIO, says current distressed opportunities in the region are better today than they were a decade ago. And in other hedge fund news, Brummer & Partners, Sweden's largest hedge fund manager, is planning to start its first Asia-focused portfolio in Bangladesh. Bloomberg News reports that Brummer & Partners, which manages about $6 billion, set up the Frontier Fund in July to invest in Bangladesh stocks and private equity investments. It plans to grow the fund to about $500 million in the next 5 years. And that rounds out your hedge fund headlines. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our hedge fund channel online, read the full stories and the latest developments.